Good morning, class 7. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. This is the fourth video lecture of the chapter Fibre to Fabric. In this chapter, we are going to discuss sericulture in detail. In last video, we have seen what is the life cycle of the silk moth. So we have seen that silk moth lays egg, and this egg hatches after about 20 days, and it hatches into small larvae called caterpillar or silkworm. This caterpillar and silkworm continuously feed on mulberry leaves, and it grow into adult larvae. And this larvae, after around 25 to 30 days, it stop eating and it start producing cocoons. And the further growth of the cocoon take place, means further growth of the pupa take place inside the cocoon. And after complete development of the cocoon, pupa into adult moth, it will break the cocoon and it will come out as adult moth. So this is the life cycle of the adult silk moth. We have seen same thing, same process is performed in the control of a silk farmer. मीन्स वो फार्मर जो सिल्क वॉर्म को रियरिंग टेकिंग केयर करते हैं, उससे सिल्क ऑब्टेन करने के लिए दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड सेरिकल्चर. सो सेम लाइफ साइकिल इज फॉलोड, बट it is under the control of the farmer, means in the supervision, means they will look after for the process to complete, and at the end of the process they will obtain silk from the cocoon. So what is sericulture? The practice of rearing silkworm to produce silk on large scale is called sericulture. Okay, sericulture involves 5 steps. Means sericulture involves following stages. So there are 5 stages of that sericulture. First stage is laying of eggs by silk moth. Second stage, hatching of eggs. Third stage, formation of adult larvae. Fourth stage, formation of cocoon. And fifth is extraction of silk. So these are the 5 stages: laying of eggs by silk moth, hatching of eggs, formation of adult larvae, formation of cocoon, extraction of silk. First I will explain you, then I will write whatever I have to write. Laying of eggs. Adult moth lays 200 to 500 eggs means the adult moth lays 200 to 500 pinhead sized egg. Means adult moth lays 200 to 500 pinhead sized egg. मतलब एग का साइज, पिन देखे ना, सेफ्टी पिन के ऊपर जो गोल सा रहता है उस साइज का एग ले करते हैं. कितना? 200 से 500. आफ्टर लेइंग द एग्स, दिस egg, the farmer is still there. This is happening in the means in that farm. So what the farmer will do, they will spread the eggs evenly on bamboo tray, T-R-A-Y, tray. They will spread the eggs evenly, uniformly on bamboo tray, and it will place the bamboo tray in incubation chamber. Incubation chamber. What is incubation chamber? A special type of equipment which maintains proper temperature and humidity. So in incubation chamber, proper temperature and humidity is maintained, where these eggs hatch after 20 days. After 20 days, these eggs will hatch to produce half centimeter long larvae, so which we call caterpillar. So in incubation chamber, this proper temperature and moisture, humidity is maintained, where after 20 days this this egg hatches and it gives half centimeter long larvae. This larvae, so in incubation chamber, the hatching of the larva has taken place after 20 days, and half centimeter long larvae, hatching of the egg in the incubation chamber has taken place, and half centimeter long larvae or the caterpillar comes out from the hatched egg. Next, formation of adult larvae. Now this bamboo tray is taken out from the incubation chamber, and now it is placed somewhere, and it is covered with chopped mulberry leaves, and these larvae will keep on feeding day and night, means subah shaam hamesha, day and night this larvae will keep on feeding on the mulberry leaf, and after around 25 to 30 days, this half centimeter long larvae will change into adult larvae, means it will change into adult caterpillar. After 25 to 30 days, this adult caterpillar will stop eating, and it will move to a side in the chamber, a small chamber. In the bamboo tray, there is a small chamber provided by the farmer. So these adult larvae, after 25 to 30 days, it will stop eating and move to a particular chamber, and where it will start producing silk, and this silk is wrapped around their body to form cocoon. So next is formation of cocoon. Means what I am saying here, that after starting the formation of cocoon, within 3 days, 3 दिन के अंतराल में, means within 3 days, the formation of cocoon will complete. So cocoon formation completes in 3 days, And as I have told you, once cocoon has completely developed, further development of pupa inside the cocoon will take place. This pupa will change into adult moth. When it change into adult moth or it is matured, it will break the cocoon and it will come out. But while doing so, adult moth will break the silk fiber. निकलते समय वो सिल्क फाइबर को भी वो डैमेज कर देंगे. Farmer do not want this to happen. So what they will do, after 10 days, means what I am saying, 10 days old cocoon. 10 days old cocoon means farmer will keep a track when the formation of cocoon has started, and after 3 days cocoon formation has completed, and after 10 days means 10 days old 10 दिन पुराना cocoon they will placed in boiled means hot water. इसको क्या करेंगे, या तो हॉट वाटर में डाल देंगे या इसको स्टीम से मीन्स हॉट स्टीम के अंदर डाल देंगे. उससे क्या होगा, द ऑर्गेनिज्म विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द कोकून विल डाई, and once the organism is dead, and this hot water will also lose the silken fiber, and after the formation silken fiber is loosened enough, the farmer what they will do with the special machine, they will take many fibers means several cocoons fibers from the several cocoon, and it will twist together to form yarn, and this yarn is used to make fabric. This is the overall step of the sericulture. So I will write about each and every one by one. So first is laying of eggs. First stage is laying of eggs. Adult moth lays dinner 200 to 500 eggs, 500 pin head sized egg. Eggs are spread uniformly over a bamboo tray, 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 and covered with tissue paper. This is the first stage. Second stage, hatching of eggs. Bamboo tray with eggs is placed in incubation chamber. Incubation chamber maintain suitable condition of temperature and humidity. After about 20 days, egg hatch and half-centimeter long larvae, that is caterpillar, comes out. Third stage, formation of adult larvae. Bamboo tray is taken out from incubation chamber and covered with chopped means कटा हुआ, chopped mulberry leaves. Larvae eats mulberry leaves day and night, 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 for 25 to 30 days and grow into adult larvae. Okay, the fourth stage, formation of cocoon. Now caterpillar stop eating and moves to a tiny chamber in the bamboo tray to spin cocoon. Cocoon formation completes in 3 days, and the last one, fifth, extraction of silk. Silk farmer means the person who is doing sericulture. Silk farmer now put 10 days old cocoon into hot water, which kills the adult moth. Hot water also loosens long silken thread, means silk का बना हुआ thread, long silken thread of cocoon. Cocoon silken thread from several cocoons is cocoon silken thread from the several cocoon is twisted together to form a strong yarn. You know from the class 6 only that in fiber to fabric you have seen many fibers are twisted together to form yarn. Okay, and this yarn is woven into fabric. Okay, this process of taking silken thread from the several cocoon is called reeling. It is called reeling of silk. What is reeling of silk? The process of taking out silk from cocoon is called reeling of silk. So this process of taking silk, the process of taking out silken thread from the cocoon is called reeling of silk. Separately I have provided this definition. The process of taking out silk from the cocoon is called reeling of silk. So hope you understand. Video is little bit longer, but since sericulture I have to discuss in one video, that's why it is little bit longer. I have explained you also, and as well as I have provided you the notes also. Because see, what I have explained will not be always in your mind. You have to read these, then only it will be in your mind. Okay, so hope you understand. Still, if anyone have any problem, you can ask. Okay.